welcome to Wolfe Chevrolet. Today we're going to be looking at this 2019 Chevrolet Silverado 1500 High Country. It comes equipped with a 5.3 liter V8 engine paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission. Other amenities included such as heated and ventilated leather seats, built-in navigation and Wi-Fi hotspot, trailer tow package with integrated brake controller, and so much more. Come check it out. Alright, moving on to the interior, we're going to have these all-black doors with lots of extra paneling and cup holder storage on the bottom, accompanied with the Bose speaker sound system. It'll come up here to the power locks, power mirrors, and your power windows with your seat memory and as well as the wood and chrome accent. You're also going to have these chrome running boards here as well, High Country badging, and it's the seats. The heated and ventilated all black High Country seats, very nice. Left side, you're going to have your 2- and 4-wheel drive, and as well as your lighting controls. Left side of the steering wheel, you're going to have your cruise control, forward collision alert, and your heated steering wheel. And the right side is your voice recognition and odometer cluster control. So with the odometer cluster control, pretty much access all of your vehicle information from your fuel range, your economy, as well as your other information, oil life, filters, as well as your trailer brake, and of course your pitch and roll. Of course, you can see your music, navigation, as well as your Bluetooth connectivity and other settings as well. Classic column truck shifter with the push to start down below. Integrated brake controller with 2 USB ports and 12-volt DC port and an AC wall charger. Right above that, you're going to have your lane keep assist, park assist, as well as your auto stop, your plugs, as well as your rear liftgate control and your hill descent control. Climate controls right above that, and here onto the infotainment system. Built-in navigation with Wi-Fi hotspot, as well as Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. You can also see your Amazon Alexa, Spotify, and of course your rear camera with hitch guidance, and also Chevrolet Maps Plus. Down below, you're going to have a wireless charging pad, lots of extra storage, the cup holder, of course, and the center console with an extra 2 USB ports and an SD card reader. Lots of storage in there. Passenger side, same finish, power adjustable. You're going to have that High Country stitch, the wood and chrome accents, the double glove box as well. Bose speakers up top with some storage up there. And here you can access your OnStar services, your SOS, your power rear sliding window, and your powered sunroof. You're gonna have these 20-inch aluminum wheels on Terramax all-terrain tires. You're gonna have your High Country badging there, the black and paint matched mirror caps, and then the chrome keyless entry door handles. Comes to the back, you're also gonna have the quarter step bumper with the dual exhaust. Trailer hitch and your 5th wheel just under. Of course, the easy lift gate with 2 LED lamps on each side, as well as an AC wall charger with 12 bed tie downs. It's a very spacious rear. Right, moving on to the rear, you're going to have more paneling and storage on the bottom, as well as the Bose speakers. Comes up here, it's the wood and chrome accents again with the power windows. It's a crew cab, lots of extra leg room, storage behind the passenger and driver's seat with rear cup holders, rear heated seating, ventilation, and as well as 2 USB ports and a 12-volt DC port. Right in the center, cup holder and armrest. You're also going to have storage behind the seats, storage under the seats as well, lamps up top, and handles on the side. Well, thank you so much for tuning in today here at Wolfe Chevrolet on this windy day as we checked out this 2019 Chevrolet Silverado 1500 High Country. It comes equipped with a 5.3 liter V8 engine, as well as heated and ventilated leather seats, trailer tow package, built-in Wi-Fi hotspot and navigation, heated rear seating, and so much more. Thank you so much for watching today. We hope you subscribe. We hope to see you at Chevy Farm very soon.